Hey everyone, welcome back to Techful Things YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all things tech and social media tips. Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect the 456 frame from your TikTok profile. If you're wondering what the 456 frame is and why you might want to remove it, stick around and I'll guide you through the steps. Alright, let's get started. The 456 frame is one of the customizable profile picture frames on TikTok. It's trendy, but if you're ready to switch things up or go back to a clean look, here's what you need to do. First, open your TikTok app and head over to your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile. This is where you can manage everything about how your profile looks, including your profile picture and frames. Now, tap on your profile picture. You'll see the option to edit or remove the frame. Select Remove Frame or None, depending on the options provided by TikTok. Finally, save your changes. And just like that, the 456 frame is gone. You're back to your original profile picture, or you can choose to upload a new one if you like. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to disconnect the 456 frame on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tips. Let me know in the comments what other TikTok tricks you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.